Connectors are an indispensable part of electrical systems, be it low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage, or extra high voltage. This fact has kept the connector industry always busy developing better connectors from time to time. At Sun Electric, the R&D team has brought out a revolutionary family of connectors called QuickWej. Though the concept of wedge connectors has been adapted in the industry for quite some time, users have always faced practical issues in handling the existing ones. Sun Electric's QuickWej is a clear solution for this. QuickWej incorporates a rigid wedge and a C-shaped spring member. During installation, the wedge is mechanically driven into the C member, spreading the C member, which in turn places high forces on the conductors for a reliable and stable connection. The wedge is driven by way of a simple hammer. Thermal expansion of conductors is taken into account while designing the connectors. Spring property of the C member allows thermal expansion of the conductors. This ensures connector reliability, elimination of hotspots, and minimization of energy losses. This unique feature makes QuickWej far superior as compared to bolted connectors. Information like conductor sizes and weight of the hammer for installation are mentioned on the connectors. Each connector is specific to the size mentioned on it. This exclusive feature ensures maximum contact between the conductors and the connector and thereby enhances the connector's performance. QuickWej is available for practically all sizes, combinations, and types of conductors, including but not limited to ACSR, AAC, AAAC, SACs, copper, and solid conductors. Connectors are available for conductors with cross-sectional area as small as 10 square millimeters up to as large as 1000 square millimeters. QuickWej finds applications in substations, transmission lines, and distribution networks. QuickWej is a non-tension connector which can be used for jumps, jumpers, taps, and to connect conductors to equipment like CTs, PTs, lightning arresters, isolators, circuit breakers, and transformers. QuickWej is also available for twin conductor combinations. Advantages of using QuickWej are many. QuickWej can harness electricity in a better way as compared to its bolted counterparts. The anti-corrosive conductive gel applied will contribute to enhance the efficiency of QuickWej. This is hydrophobic in nature, and this compound protects the connector from environmental factors. Fine copper particles that are suspended in this component fills the minute unseen gaps to ensure maximum efficiency. Due to the spring property of the connector or the expansion property of the C member, the connector reliability is very high. This means that using QuickWej will help in reducing AT&C losses. QuickWej is manufactured to the best quality standards. The manufacturing process is governed by ISO 9001-2008. Connectors are type tested as per applicable British and Indian standards, which are on par with the requirements of ANSI and IEC. Tests include both electrical as well as mechanical tests. Connectors are subjected to tensile loads between 200 and 250 kgs in a universal tensile testing machine, and slip test is performed. Resistance, heat cycle test and temperature rise tests are performed to establish current carrying capacity of the connectors. These tests also prove the fact that resistance of QuickWej is a stable component and does not vary with the load. QuickWej is subjected to salt spray test after allowing sufficient amounts of salt to deposit on the connectors. The performance of the connectors after the salt deposit is absolutely the same as the one before the deposit of the salt. QuickWej is rated for short time current as per system requirements. The connector meets or even exceeds these requirements. In the video here, the conductors have been burned down to ashes, while QuickWej is absolutely intact. Installation of QuickWej is quite simple. Unlike its counterparts, special tools and special skill are not necessary. A simple hammer does the job. Here, we will show you a short demonstration to take a tap using QuickWej. Suspend the C member on the run conductor or the main conductor, place the tap conductor in the lower groove, and insert the wedge and secure the wedge firmly by pushing it inside. Hammer the wedge until the stopper on the wedge flushes with the C member. Here, we have used a nylon hammer for the demonstration, but steel hammers can also be used. Installation procedure for all sizes of connectors is same. However, connectors suitable for smaller conductor sizes are designed without stoppers. When installing these connectors, hammer the wedge until the broader dimension of the wedge flushes with the broader dimension of the C member. Thanks to its performance and quick payback period, QuickWej has a long list of extremely satisfied customers world over. Over 800,000 connectors are in service in various utilities across the world, including distribution networks, transmission lines, and substations. The customers are extremely satisfied and have continued patronizing the connector. Here is what our clients say about QuickWej.